coming to take me away, ha! They're coming to take me away, ha ha! Right after this. Hey everybody, it's Don, the anti-chef on Don's Empty Kitchen. I just wanted to show you guys that I am committed to this channel. I spend every little bit of money I have on upping this channel. Now, granted, it is little bits of money, but every little thing counts, right? So the GoPro, the knockoff of knockoff GoPros at the bottom, don't ever buy those cameras. They're garbage. They may work outside, but inside they're absolutely garbage. As for the Betty Crocker, well, Betty Crocker is at our local dollar stores, and it's a little more expensive than the regular no-name kitchen utensils. But my daughter started getting me Betty Crocker utensils for Christmas, so I'm keeping the theme. I'm just gonna spend the extra $2 or whatever it is, and make sure that we try and grow Kayla's utensils as much as possible. I got my pepper mill and some peppercorns. I can't wait to fill it and try it. And I just wanted to show you guys that every little bit counts. And this is the extra $40 I had today, so this is what I spent it on, okay? I want to get this channel up and running for you guys, because you are important, you matter, and you deserve a place in this world. So find something that will get you out of bed like I have, and don't let anybody tell you different, okay? Take care, guys. See you in the next video. Bye-bye. Hi. Just taking a second to say, if you like what you're seeing, please like and subscribe and ring that little bell, because it really, really helps us out and it means a lot to me. Please leave comments. Let me know what I'm doing right. Let me know what I'm doing wrong, and say whatever you want, okay? I do read them. Okay, back to our show.